In this video of PTC Creo, I'm going to talk about how you can create a detailed view inside Creo. Detailed view is very straightforward. All you need to do is you need to go to Layout tab and then you need to click on Detailed View. Now select the area of home you would like to create detailed view. For example, here you would like to create detailed view of. So all you need to do is you need to make first click and then try to encircle the area that you would like to create detailed view of. Once you encircle the area, you need to press your scroll wheel and you will see detail A written there. Now make left click and that's how you're going to put that detailed view. Okay, now I can further customize or tweak it a bit so that it looks good. And let's say this is not the scale that you wanted. Again, you can make a double click on detail view or you can go to properties, and now here you have all the option to customize it. Let's say I would like to go with 1.5 scale. So here we can see it. Now further here you can see all the different kind of customizations are also available to further tweak it the way you want. Now let me hit OK. And now in this way we have just shown you how we can create a detailed view inside PTC Creo parametric. Now before we wrap up, let me also show you some other tweaks or customization that we can do. So let's go here on the top on view type. Here you can define the name of this particular detail view. So by default it was A, I made it B, or maybe you want to make it X. So all these things you can do. And then here you can see boundary type on parent view. You can change it to ellipse or even horizontal. So it totally depends on the way you want this thing to be encircled. You can also make it look spline, the way it was. So there are so many other possibility, if you do not like circle, but generally circle look good, so I'm gonna keep it back to circle. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more such tutorials related to engineering topics, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.